In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp web shortcut on your desktop using Windows 10. This is a super handy trick that will let you access WhatsApp directly from your desktop, saving you time and effort in the long run. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. This is the online version of WhatsApp that allows you to use the service on your computer without needing to pick up your phone each time. Once you're at the site, prepare to create a shortcut that will let you open this page straight from your desktop with just one click. Next, you'll want to open your browser's menu. Typically, you can find this in the top right corner of your browser window. Depending on the browser you're using, look for three dots or three lines stacked on top of each other. These icons represent your browser's menu options. After opening the menu, you're going to search for the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. These are standard features in most modern browsers, and the option you need to pinpoint is located here. These features allow users to save pages, share links, or cast content to other devices, but today we are focusing on saving this page as a desktop shortcut. Within the Cast, Save and Share menu, you'll want to select Create Shortcut. This option is what enables you to shorten the steps required to access WhatsApp Web. When you select this, a dialog box typically appears, giving you a few additional options for customizing your shortcut. Here you'll have the chance to rename your shortcut. By default, the shortcut might read WhatsApp Web, but you can change this to anything you prefer. Perhaps WhatsApp Desktop or simply WhatsApp would suit you better. Renaming your shortcut is entirely optional, but it can make your desktop look more organized and personalized. Once you've decided on a name, go ahead and click the Create button. This action finalizes your settings and places a new icon on your desktop. This icon functions exactly like an app on your computer. By double-clicking it, your browser will open, taking you directly to WhatsApp Web. That's it, you're all set up. Now you have a convenient shortcut on your desktop that directly links you to WhatsApp Web. With this small adjustment, accessing your messages on a larger screen becomes seamless and just a click away. Whether you're working at your computer or just prefer using a larger screen, having a desktop shortcut for WhatsApp is a valuable addition to your setup. I hope you found this guide helpful and enjoy the convenience of your new shortcut.